Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. We're going to learn today about how to set up a printer. So there are three kinds of printers we can set up in Business Central. So universal printer, email printer, and browser printing. So to set up a universal printer, you need to have a license for that, which in this case we got the trial version. So in trial version we don't have any license. So here's the diagram or picture, you can see that. And it says Universal Print is a Microsoft 365 subscription-based service that run entirely on Microsoft Azure. So we need to check on Azure. If you go to Azure, it will show you that we have got a license. Search for printer. So we click on Universal Printer and say Manage Printers. It's going to say we have got a license. Because you need special license access denied. So for universal printer, you have to access the license on Azure, and you have to connect that with the Business Central. That's how it works. If you don't have a license, you will not see the universal printer in Business Central as well. So the second one is email printer. So email printer, you can go to printer management. And you should have obviously printer setup there already. So even if you click there, it will show you what's that for. So that's the printer ID, as its description, and this is the person who's gonna get the print information to print out, and this paper size. You can change it to landscape as well. And what's the subject? And email body. You can say please. Thanks. Same like that. So if you see there, you got universal printer. If you click that, it's going to ask you different things, but we haven't got the extension for that. So if we check the extensions, extension management, and if you see that, if you search for a printer, that'll be only the email printer setup. So you can see the app ID. It says send to email printer, and it's Microsoft obviously publisher. So we only got an extension for email printer because it's a trial version. So if you go back to the email printer, you can add an email printer. So same like that, you can put the ID. So printer print or remote. And send print jobs to the printer email address. So we're going to go to our admin center. We got some users there, so I'm going to put one from there, and then we'll choose this person for these printouts. There we go. And paper size, please print it. That's it. It's automatically saved. So that's the new printer, email printer setup we've done. Print 1, 2, 3. So sorry, printer on-prem cloud. So to check the printing, we can go to sales invoices. If you go to sales invoices, let's say you want to open any random one, and then if you click print, it's going to ask you which one. So just for the time being, if you say this one, and if you do, you can preview and close one, or you can print as well. We can go print. It's going to send a request to the printer, and there we go. That's the invoice already ready for printing. And if you send print, it's gonna save it. So you can save it here, and then you can print in 3 local printer as well, like that. You you just need generic information, you can just use the third option, which is browser printing, which is you can just press Ctrl P, and that's gonna just print this page out either way. So which will just give you basic information as well. You just need the information of this page. So let's say if you have any posted invoices, you can also send, and you can say printer, yes, prompt settings, yeah, email, yeah, and then you can press OK, and then you can send it to handled by browser automatically. You can send to printer 1 or printer 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or printer what we selected. So that's the email printer which is set up. That if we do that, this email will go to that person whose email is the in the printer setup, and then we can send as PDF. There we go. So you can send this PDF to the person, and you can also send this to the person or customer sales invoice. Obviously, sales invoice. You can send that to the person who needs to have this sales invoice. The two exam question comes from printer selection and obviously one from printer management. So printer selection is one of these, so you select any printer from here to use. And the other one was the question about what type of email printers do you have. I mean, if you want to send an email to one person, to a specific person, what kind of email, what kind of printer do you have? So universal or browser or email, so you need to select answer as email for that. So this is a short video about a basic one about the printing. The printer. So if you had any access to universal printer, obviously we can't show you the live on the live systems. It's just obviously for data privacy purposes we can't access the Genesis account to provide you the details. So thank you for watching the video.